Converting a highlight to a reel on Instagram is a straightforward process that allows you to breathe new life into your existing content. To get started, open Instagram and navigate to your profile page. Look for the Highlights section, which is located below your bio and above your feed posts. Click on the highlight you want to convert to a reel. This will open the highlight in a full screen view, allowing you to view all the content within it. Now, click on the three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with several options, including Edit Highlight, Delete Highlight, and Share Highlight. Select the Share Highlight option from the menu. This will open a new menu with several sharing options, including Share to Feed, Share to Story, and Share to Reels. Choose the Share to Reels option to convert your highlight to a reel. Once you select Share to Reels, Instagram will automatically create a new reel using the content from your highlight. You can then add music, effects, and other edits to your reel just like you would with any other reel. You can also add a caption to your reel, including any relevant hashtags or tags. When you are happy with your reel, click the share button to post it to your Instagram feed. Your highlight will now be live as a reel, and you can share it with your followers. Keep in mind that converting a highlight to a reel will not delete the original highlight, so you can still access it from your profile page. Best practices for converting highlights to reels include keeping your reel concise and engaging, using relevant music and effects, and including a clear call to action in your caption. You can also use this feature to repurpose old content, breathe new life into forgotten highlights, and create a consistent stream of content for your followers. By following these steps and tips, you can easily convert your Instagram highlights to reels and take your content to the next level. This feature is a great way to get more mileage out of your existing content and to create a more engaging and dynamic Instagram presence.